Don't throw away your old CD system. Have you ever wondered how many useful things they can still do for your home? Hello everyone, welcome back to Maker Mike. Today, simple old CDS will help solve real problems around the house. No fancy tools, no special materials, just things you already have. Stay with me through this video and see how useful these old CDS can really be. Cut the old plastic box into small pieces and drop them into a glass jar. This step turns useless plastic into the base for a strong homemade glue. It is simple, quick, and a good way to reuse what would normally go in the trash. Pour acetone into the jar until the plastic is fully covered. Then close the lid tight. Place the jar in a safe, well-ventilated spot and let it sit overnight. Before we move on, share your city and state. It helps me make better projects for you. By the next day, the plastic will soften and turn into a thick, sticky mixture, ready for the next step. After the plastic has fully dissolved, open the jar and add a small amount of cement into the mixture. Stir it slowly with a wooden stick until the paste becomes thick and smooth. The cement gives the glue strength and body, so it will not shrink or crack after drying. Stop when the texture feels like heavy putty that stays on the stick without dripping. Take the broken flower pot and clean the cracked edges first. Use a file or sandpaper to smooth both sides so the glue can hold better. Then place masking tape along both sides of the crack to create a simple mold. Press the tape firmly so it stays tight and keeps the glue in place. This small step makes the repair much cleaner and easier to control. Use a wooden stick to scoop up the mixture and place it into the cracks slowly. Press the mixture down so it fills the gap from the inside out. Make sure there are no air pockets left inside the crack. Add more mixture if needed until the surface is slightly higher than the pot wall. This extra layer helps keep the repair strong after it dries. Once filled, smooth the surface gently so it looks even and neat. After fixing the flower pot, it is time to look at another simple reuse. Many homes still have old CDs that no one plays anymore. Instead of leaving them in a drawer, they can still be useful in the garden. These shiny surfaces catch light very well and can help protect plants. This next step shows how an old CD can serve a new purpose right outside your door. Take two old CDs and place them face to face, with the shiny sides pointing outward. This way, both sides can reflect light when they move in the wind. Hold them steady and drill one small hole near the edge. Go slow here so the plastic does not crack. After that, use hot glue to fix the two CDs together firmly. Let the glue cool and set so the pair becomes one solid piece. This simple step turns two old discs into one useful garden tool. Thread a strong string through the hole you just drilled in the CDS and tie it tightly so it will not slip out. On the other end of the string, tie a small paper clip or simple hook. This makes it easy to hang the CDs on a tree branch or a fence in the garden. Place them where sunlight can hit the shiny surface during the day. When the wind moves them, the light flashes and reflects in different directions. Insects do not like this sudden light, so they tend to stay away from your plants. This is a simple and quiet way to protect the garden without using any chemicals. Once the repair mixture is fully dry, remove the tape slowly from both sides of the pot. Use fine sandpaper to smooth the surface where the crack was. Move in small, gentle strokes so the edge looks even and clean. Today, you saw how old plastic and old CDS can solve two simple problems at home. A cracked pot is fixed, and your garden is better protected from insects. These small ideas save money and keep useful things out of the trash. If this helped you, press like and share it with a friend who enjoys simple DIY. Subscribe to Maker Mike for more practical projects you can try at home.